The acoustic-electric guitar is one of the most popular string instruments anyone can buy. Unlike the typical acoustic guitar, it contains a high-quality pickup and preamp. The purpose of the preamp and pickup is to make the music you are playing louder for everyone to hear. Whether you are playing in a small setting or on top of the stage, the acoustic-electric guitar is hard to ignore. The best part is that even if you are on a budget, you can still get the best acoustic-electric guitar under $500. Today we are going to review top 5 electric acoustic guitar of this year. And we are going to start our list with Donner DAG 1E electric acoustic guitar. The Donner DAG 1E electric acoustic guitar package is another 6-stringed instrument on offer. The body is made of laminate wood with a spruce top while the neck is comprised of African mahogany. The neck shape and dots inlay only serve to increase the quality of sound produced. The acoustic guitar produces a clear vibrant sound and is strong as well. This 41-inch Dreadnought model can adapt to various musical genres. With the built-in preamp, magnifying your sound will be easy. Together with that are a 3-band equalizer and a die-cast tuner. These features are important when tweaking your acoustic electric guitar to find the right sound. The equalizer needs one 9V lithium-ion battery to operate optimally. The strings featured here are bronze. These are known to produce a bright, almost quirky sound. There are 20 frets available in this model. Accessories are the cherry on top. This model is delivered together with guitar strings, capos, a polishing cloth, a gig bag, a strap and some picks for use. You also get a 30-day unconditional money-back guarantee. If the product does not suit your needs, customer care will handle your issue. And you will find the link in description below. Next up in our list is Fender CD60 SCE Dreadnought acoustic electric guitar. This comes with handy accessories to use with your acoustic electric guitar. But first, let us look at what features are present in this model. The body of the instrument is comprised of mahogany. Mahogany is known to provide emphasis on high-end tones and it provides durability. This is a right-handed 6-string guitar. The strings used are made of steel, and thus you are assured of their strength. The solid spruce soundboard is fitted with an X brace. The scalloped brace provides adequate support while playing. For people who have small hands, fear not. This acoustic electric guitar features an accessible neck that possesses fingerboard edges. This makes reaching the frets a simple process. The cutaway also makes easy access possible. The guitar as promised comes with various accessories. These accessories include an instructional DVD, guitar strings, picks, string winders, a strap, digital clip-on tuner, and a polishing cloth. You can maintain your instrument with no looming expenses. It even comes with its carry case, which is convenient. The Fishman ICES 3 system electronics will not disappoint you. The sound quality is something to look forward to. Next in our list is Epiphone PR4E acoustic electric guitar player package. This is great for the stage or just playing at home. This model is created from laminated wood with a mahogany neck. The fretboard gives a platform to move between the frets with ease. The fretboard material in play is rosewood. They say that acoustic electric guitars do not sound as good, but this model begs to differ. The neck is not too wide, and the frets are set near each other. For people with short hands, this model would provide a strain-free experience. Right-handed and weighing 28 pounds, this is not a small instrument. It bears D'Addario steel strings that can produce good sound. The strings provided a range in thickness including 12, 16, 25, 34, 41, and 53 ratings. The acoustic electric guitar features chrome hardware and a reliable piezo pickup to control various aspects of your sound. To complete the experience, the manufacturer provided accessories to use. First, there is the 10-watt solid-state amplifier, which is very neat when you need to connect a few inputs. This amp gives you control over treble, bass, gain and boost switch among others. Then there are the other accessories such as an instructional DVD, guitar picks, strings, a strap, some cord, a tuner and a gig bag for transportation. And as always, the link is in the description below. Next best guitar in our list is Jameson Guitar's full-size Thinline acoustic electric guitar. This one comes with high-gloss blue-colored blueburst finish. It looks pleasant to the eye and it just so happens to be comfortable to play. The body comprises of a NATO body with a spruce top. NATO makes a good supplement for normal mahogany. It is strong enough to withstand constant use. The neck is made of maple, which is equally as strong. As for the length of the acoustic electric guitar, we are looking at 41 inches. The acoustic guitar features 3-inch body thickness and a cutaway for your comfort. This strong construct will see to it that the guitar lasts many years. The 6-string right-handed acoustic guitar is simple but worth it. You can be assured that the steel strings won't snap mid-note. It comes fitted with die-cast tuners and a quality built-in equalizer. The acoustic guitar possesses a built-in pickup that makes connecting to an amp a fairly easy process. To make matters better, the acoustic guitar also features an amp cable, 1/4-inch jack, and volume tone controls. Rocking out with the band does not seem like a bad idea. Once you are done, put the guitar back into the gig bag and call it a day. Don't forget to store the guitar picks well, they came free after all. Check the link in the description to check this out. The best acoustic electric guitar in our list today is Yamaha FG800. This is a 6-string, right-handed acoustic electric guitar. It comes with a solid top made of Sitka spruce to produce a good tone and provide durability. The naturally colored acoustic electric guitar can be purchased in a Dreadnought or a concert size. The concert size is smaller compared to the larger Dreadnought size. Which one to choose depends on your overall size and comfort level. The back and the sides are comprised of NATO. NATO, also popularly known as Eastern mahogany, is durable and provides a warm resonance. The fingerboard and bridge are constructed from rosewood, which is known for its rich overtones and adequate sound projection. The new scalloped bracing implemented provides support and gives the natural sound a great platform to be heard. As for the strings mounted on this model, they are made of bronze. The bronze has undergone treatments to facilitate corrosion resistance. With corrosion resistance, you can be sure that the tone will remain bright and not fade out quickly. This acoustic electric guitar weighs 7.05 pounds. It features 20 frets and comes with an adjustable truss rod. It also has a cutaway so that you may be able to reach the frets with ease. The acoustic electric guitar features an additional piezo pickup accompanied by a 3-band equalizer, a precision chromatic tuner and adjustable mid-range frequency control. All these are to facilitate the transition to a smooth sound. It's time to make the decision which one to get. Check the link in the description to check the price and get yours. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button blue. We'll see you in the next AdvisorBit video. Till then, have fun.